Welcome to this video about the top 5 productivity apps you must try. These apps help you stay organized, manage your time, and get more done every day. Let's get started. ToDoist. ToDoist is a simple but powerful to-do list app. It helps you create tasks, set deadlines, and organize your work by projects or labels. You can add reminders and prioritize tasks with different colors. ToDoist also lets you track your productivity with easy charts. Use ToDoist to keep all your tasks in one place and never miss a deadline. Notion is an all-in-one workspace app. You can use it to take notes, manage projects, create databases, and collaborate with others. Notion uses blocks that you can move around, making it very flexible. It works well for both personal and work use. Whether you want to make a simple to-do list or build a full project plan, Notion can do it all. Forest is a unique app designed to help you focus. When you start a task, plant a virtual tree in Forest. The tree grows as long as you stay focused and do not use your phone. If you leave the app, the tree dies. Forest helps reduce distractions and builds your concentration by making focus fun and rewarding. Microsoft OneNote. OneNote is a digital notebook for organizing your ideas and notes. You can type, write with a stylus, or even record audio notes. OneNote allows you to organize content into notebooks, sections, and pages. It syncs across devices so you can access your notes anytime, anywhere. It is perfect for students, professionals, or anyone who likes to keep information organized. ToggleTrack is a time tracking app that helps you understand how you spend your time. You can start and stop timers for different tasks and projects. ToggleTrack gives detailed reports showing where your time goes. This information helps you improve your productivity by identifying time-wasting activities. Use ToggleTrack to manage your time better and focus on what matters most. These are the top 5 productivity apps you should try. Each app offers unique features to help you stay organized, focused, and efficient. Download these apps today and watch your productivity improve. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.